Hey guys, it's me, the Bombay Chef Varun Inamdar, and welcome to Rajshri Food. Today's recipe is a very simple recipe. This is possibly one of those Indo-Chinese recipes which hasn't got its due credit. This one is Dragon Paneer. Let's begin. Dragon Paneer, the name itself makes you feel that it's a fiery red recipe. But yes, it is fiery, it is red, but it also has touches of tomato ketchup and lots of honey. So it's sweet, it's spicy, it's sour, and trust me, it's the most amazing recipe. This can be made as a starter, but when you use this as a starter, when you want to make this as a starter, reduce the quantity or amount of water to half. In this recipe, if I have used half a cup of water, if you want to make a starter, use only 1/4 cup. Let's begin with the first step, and that is sauteing the paneer, the onions, the cashew nuts, and capsicum together. Let's light the flame, and I'm using a Kadai for this, and let's begin with oil. Once the oil just kind of begins to heat up, I'll add in some cashew nuts. Once the cashews just kind of begin to get color, I'll add in onion petals. And along with this, I'm going to add in the green capsicum. Let's add in dices of paneer and stir fry this on high flame. I know a lot of people who also do it right up to here with the use of ghee. Yes, if you are the ones who likes that note of ghee, go all out and use it. You can also start this recipe with butter. Remember that it's Indo-Chinese in all its glory. Let's move on to the next step, and that is moving on to making the masala or the gravy. If you want to make a starter, I've already told you what to follow and how to go ahead. Let's begin with water. To this, I'm going to add in red chilli powder, white vinegar, soy sauce, along with this red chilli sauce, honey. With this, I'm going to add in some tomato ketchup, along with this paste of ginger and garlic, salt as required, remembering the fact that soy sauce and ketchup both have salt already. And last but not the least, cornstarch, also known as corn flour. Let's stir all this well. Once the pieces of paneer get a little bit of a golden color, let's add in the slurry. This ensures that you give it one quick mix and pour it in. Allow this entire mixture to keep bubbling on high flame, and you'll see this beautifully thickening up and enveloping each piece of paneer, capsicum and onion. Do not over stir this because you do not want the pieces of paneer to break and disintegrate in the gravy. With this, your dragon paneer is done and ready. If you see, the gravy has become nice, thick and shiny. Also, the raw flavor of ginger and garlic has gone away. Well, traditionally, this recipe starts with oil or butter or ghee in some cases, then moves on to chopped onions, chopped garlic, chopped ginger, chopped chilies. It of course takes a big detour. It becomes a little lengthier. But what I have done is I've made your life and my life absolutely easy. So, whenever you want to make dragon paneer for yourself, for your family, or for your friends, this is the method, trust me, which is going to become an absolute breeze for you. Now that the gravy is done and ready, the next step is very simple. Plating it and eating it.
Try this for your family, try this for your friends. But what's more important is make this for yourself sometimes. On that note, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Rajshri. Bye.